record. Okay. Recording in progress. Visit. So, where's EBIR? Show all windows. No, wala. Where is it? This one. And then screen. Share. Okay. So for this one, I'm using my own account because I cannot compromise. Oh, no, not this one. This is not what I'm sharing. I meant to share. Sorry. Gotta exit. And nako. EBIR forms. Two, 1, 3, 6, 3, 4, 1, 4, 4. The annual 1604E. So, ito yung summary of the payments made for the calendar year. So, yung remittance is usually on the 10th of the month. On the 10th of the month now. So that yung remittance mo for January will be on the month following year, 2021. On the month, on the immediately preceding month. So if 10 falls on if the 10th falls on Saturday or Sunday, then the next business day, that should be the due date. In 2021, February 10 is a Wednesday, so it shall be February 10, 2021. Name of bank, bank code, ROR number, if any. I usually put here, for example, yung client ko is an EFPS tax filer. So, lagay ko lang EFPS PNB. The amount of taxes withheld, these are actual numbers, but for purposes of this illustration, kopyahin ko na lang, no? Where is it? There. Sobrang pala. So 41604. And then in March, February, for the February filing, it falls on March 10 is a Wednesday. So, ayun, on or before March 10. But usually, alam mo naman tayong Pinoy, we pay on the deadline. Gusto natin yung adrenaline rush in paying late. So I have here 2,800 80.43. In March, hindi na to dun sa 0619 emo. This would come from your 1601 EQ or the quarterly credible income taxes withheld. So, yun na yun. For March, falls on April 10, still a weekend. No, it's a Saturday, so due siya ng April 12. Again, since hindi ko na ma-share yung data, hindi ko nakopya. Anyway, for March, the numbers appearing in your 1601 EQ would represent taxes withheld for the 3-month period, but to identify how much you paid for in March, you have to deduct whatever you have remitted from January and February. Supposing I paid 10,000 in March, then I would have to deduct the taxes withheld in January and February. So, calc you guys, wait lang. 10,000 minus 416404 minus 2880.43. That gives us 5,555.53. These are actual numbers, so don't think na you just make up these numbers. No, this comes from your actual filing done. So in April, how much was it? In April, we have 641, and the due date, it falls on a Monday, so it shall be 5, 10, 20, 21. Ngayon, if you paid earlier, then you use the actual date. I always pay. EFPS pay filers, there are different due dates depending on the tax grouping that you belong to. I think for my client, it falls on the 14th for creditable withholding taxes at source. And for the compensation falls on the 15th, but we paid it together kasi bakit pa ako magpa-file ulit ng 15 kung magpa-file naman ako ng 10. Minsan na lang, we file it on the 10th, both the compensation and income tax withheld at source. So for me, ang due date niya is June 10, a Wednesday. Sige, June 10. And how much was it? 3,000. And then for June, ito again, you gather the numbers from the 1601 EQ file. June falls quarterly. July 10 is a Saturday, so move ka ulit. It would be July 12, 2021. Kung American accent ang susundin natin, it's 2021. Hindi ko alam sa British and Australian English kung 20 or 20 or whatever. Wala akong pake. So, at the end of the quarter, babawas natin yung 2 months. Supposing this time, we have 15,000 na. Taxes withheld at the end of June minus 3606.24 minus 648.73. So, meron tayong 10,745.03. Sa mga hindi napipicture out kung anong ginagawa ko, bahala na kayo. Hindi, you can go figure out. May iba pang mga YouTuber dyan na gumagawa nito. I think they can help you with that. But, this is an intro to that. So, in July, due date niya is August 10 is a Tuesday. So, August 10, 2021. Sa mga kaidaran ko, inabutan ng 2021, blackjack, using na yung pag-pronounce. Yun, 21. August August, so September. In September 10 is a Friday, so September 10 is a Friday. Boring to guys, but really have to do it for the client. Kasi ewan ko ba, bakit nga ba? This is part of the challenge. Then supposing at the end of September, you have, this time it's 12,000 minus 3,076 minus 421805. So, ang remittance mo in October 10 is a Sunday, so it shall be October 11, 2021. Bakit? On the 10th day kasi of the succeeding month, 4705.95. Then, October, how much? Ligay ko na nga lang yung amount. October and November, so 64109. So yung October, bakit ko napalitan dyan? Kamali ako. What was it? Kamali ako, doon ko na tayo. 3076. Tama pala. Tama pala. Dunggay yung Bisaya. Matumban ang piste. That's my mother. She's Carrie Bells. I don't know why she went out. But anyway. So, balik tayo for October. And then in December, supposing that okay, this time it's just 10,000 minus 3877.14 minus 64109. Again, this would come from the fourth quarter 1601 EQ. So that gives us 5481.77. October, due siya ng November 10. November 10 is Wednesday. So, November 10, 2021. November is due on December 10. December 10 is a Friday. So, December 10, 2021. December is due on January 10. January 10 is Monday. So, January 10, 2022. Yeah. Validate. Hindi ko na-select. Private. Validate. Ano ba? Ano sabi? No. Number of sheets. Private. What was it saying? Validate. Invalid entry on Schedule 1, Column 1, Row 1. Kulang ng 0. Yeah, right. Ganyan pa under C, EFPS. So, submit as a final copy. Click OK. The end result would tell you that an email will be sent to claire@clairestrosses.com. Voila, andun na. Pero i-delete ko to kasi hindi ko naman to numbers. So, Papa is playing YouTube kaya mabagal ang internet ko, but I'm using PLDT my Wi-Fi. Ayan, so I submit successful. A notification will be sent to your email. So the registered email that you created in your EFPS account will be, that's where the mail will be sent. So, yan. Makikita mo yun sa email, but it will not fire back agad. There. So, meanwhile, I'll stop sharing and post this on YouTube. And then end meeting.